So welcome to this video on how to use Zoom or any other video platform to grow your consultancy business. In a moment, I'm going to share with you the one surprising outcome that's going to happen when you start to really leverage the power of video, whether it's live or recorded, and it doesn't matter which platform you're using. The power of video is going to open up amazing ways forward for you. So if you like this content, just subscribe below. You'll get notified as we add more content, which is normally every couple of days. So this is the one thing that's going to happen. By leveraging the power of video, by understanding how to do this properly, your traditional business, your face-to-face business, the business you've had for years, it's going to grow massively. There's a circuitous route to get there, but in the short term, what you're really doing with your video-based presence is that you're creating new revenue streams online. And that's an amazing goal. You're creating new revenue streams, new revenue models. But with this, what you're doing is that every time you put your content out onto the internet, you're making yourself more and more findable. And for this to make real sense, you've got to make sure that you are very clear on what your niche is. So you don't just say I'm a digital transformation strategist, or I'm a marketing guru, or blah blah blah. You've got to be super clear on exactly who your target audience is. Their age, their interest, their location, the business sector, function of the business, title, education, aspirations, background, everything you need to think about so that you know who your ideal candidate target is. And then you have to understand what their pain points are. What search words are they using to help look for these solutions? So you're really understanding, what their pain points are and how they're trying to find those pain points or solutions to those pain points. And with this, everything gets a lot more focused and a lot more targeted and actually a lot more easy. And this means that you're doing the right thing consistently and you're not wasting time or energy on a scattergun approach. In fact, a later video talks about consistency and really how to do it and the importance of it. But believe me, using video tools like Zoom not only opens up brand new revenue streams and brand new revenue models and global audiences, but it's going to boost your traditional business too. So for the next video, I'm going to share with you the most important thing that you need to address, which is lead generation. Any questions, just reach out to us below and we'll talk to you later.